while he scrolls away the hours, his time, and his money simply vanish into the digital void. But your phone can actually become a powerful money-making tool.
You do not need expensive equipment or a fancy office to get started. One of the easiest ways to earn is freelancing directly from your phone.
You can design logos, edit videos, write captions, or manage social media pages. Even small online jobs can slowly grow into daily income. Short-form content creation is another massive opportunity. Funny, educational, or motivational videos can grow very fast online. And once your audience grows, brands may start paying you automatically. Today, you can edit professional content completely from your smartphone. Selling unused items online is another quick way to earn cash. Many people begin with old items and later build full online stores.
You can even sell custom shirts, mugs, or phone cases without inventory.
The supplier handles printing and shipping, while you focus on promotion.
Teaching online is another powerful way to earn from your phone.
If you know English, fitness, math, or any skill, people will pay to learn. Microtask and survey apps will not make you rich, but they can help you start. Some apps even pay cash back just for shopping through their platform. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products.
Every time someone buys through your link, you earn money.
Many creators now run successful faceless channels entirely from their phones.
AI tools have made content creation easier than ever before. The people who succeed online usually stay consistent every single day. One person wastes time on their phone, while another builds income with it. At first, the money may seem small, but progress compounds over time. Most beginners quit too early because they expect instant results. Every expert you see today once started as a complete beginner. Your phone is no longer just entertainment. It is a portable business. The sooner you learn digital skills, the faster your future can change. Your phone can either waste your time or build your future. The choice is yours.